Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make something that screams fall vibes. Homemade pumpkin spice syrup. Perfect for the lattes, pancakes, or even drizzle over ice cream. But before we get into it, please hit that subscribe button and notification. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is you want to grab a cup of water and a small pot and start heating it up. Add in a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Heat it up to medium and begin stirring until the sugar dissolves. Next, you want to toss in a spoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Go ahead and also throw in a pinch of cloves. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, giving it time to mix. It smells good, right? So, now what you want to do is go ahead and pour out that syrup through a fine mesh sleeve to catch any pumpkin bits. Pour it into a small jar and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Ta-da! You got your own pumpkin spice syrup. Drizzle it over your pancakes, mix it into your coffee, or even add it into your morning oatmeal. You are a pumpkin spice master now. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe for more cozy recipes. Stay spicy, friends.